starlight. Oh, nice. No mercy. I'll see your entrails.
Hello? Can anyone hear me? It's a killing spree over here.
Oh, late na ako sa action. Bakit na lang.
A harvest moon. Yes.
Late na ako sa action.
Good plan.
Sino pa? Wala. Kaboy ka ayo.
Looks like our structures are fortified.
Quickly now. On the hunt. The night sees all.
Whoa, 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 whoa! They took out the enemy's top tower! Did you see what they did, Rick? Did you see what they did? Frankly, Morty, no. Pay attention.
No. We're celebrating.
He's dominating! Oh, you better hold on to your hat because now it's a mega kill. That's 5, baby. 5. There's no accident. This isn't an accident now.
Ano ba yan?
Yes.
Pinikiesa naman ako na itong Marcy natin.
Actually, what
What do you
I
see?
need is that I am working obnoxious so that they
Let's go.
and then I'm very
Yes.
some of the yes,
Crescent steel. I've done being merciful. Into battle. Illuminated.
so I feel
Absolutely.
because it's just get some of the
We ride. Far the night. Yes. Into battle. Another death. Good plan. What do you see? By starlight. Quickly
Your bottom
now.
tower's under attack!
oh yeah.
Stalking. On the prowl. Yeah. On the light sees all.
Oh, puta na DC na sa sobrang lupit. Puspus pa ang puta. Hindi naman yan maganda. Hindi naman maganda patutunguhan yung pus na yan eh.
By the way, I just want to ask have they on the
Lapit na to.
pro account?
Ganda.
The pro account to edit the stories?
Kailangan ko pa kaya mag-shadow bold. Shadow bold? Come on.
I think there's resubscribe to me first so that I can just
Ano kasi nangyari sa Abado na yan?
yeah.
Mga quest ko. Kill to enemy courier. The while before observer was. Sorry. Gusto ko na mag-farm.
Let's go.
Okay.
Bored, bro.
Abigail. Friday. At gmail.com.
Let's go. Attack far the night.
Gmail.com.
A new moon. Here. Yes.
Rather
Good plan.
other than my salon days, but I think that is because of my internet. So otherwise,
We ride.
yes,
What do you see?
yes. That's this.
I'm under attack.
Yeah.
Light sees all. Yes.
Okay.
Here.
Okay.
Us. Blessings upon a loyal warrior.
Hindi na tayo magbi-BKB.
By starlight.
Ano tayo, mayabang tayo eh.
Illuminate him. On the hunt. Let's go. Quickly now.
Yeah.
Slice. On the prowl. Stalking. The hunt. What piercing light. Good plan.
Tsaka ano, sinalo lang nung aba din yung ulti ko. O Shadow Blade. Gusto ko ng Shadow Blade.
Jeez, Rick, the top tower's getting hit.
Quickly now.
Ano ba't kaya doon maggadok-dok?
Yeah. Okay.
Huwag na.
It's like dire structures are fortified.
Report nyo na lang yan. Sino ba yan?
You guys are serious? Top tower's under attack. The enemy's bottom tower is gone. Killing spree.
Ano yan? Iniwan kasi kami. Si Raulo. Iniwan ko na lang din sila. Putang ina nyo.
Oh man, this guy's dominating. Jeez, middle tower's under attack.
Or do I look her with gas?
Your middle tower's under attack. You're not dead. Oh, not so fast, Mori. He just mega kill. It's a mega kill now.
Oh,
18 seconds pa ako.
like single project.
Mori's under kill. Oh man.
Partial.
Jeez, this is some wicked sick stuff, Rick. Because he just wicked sicked it. That's right.
We ride.
Oh, yeah, your bottom tower's under attack.
Okay.
On the hunt. For the cause.
Your bottom tower's under attack!
Heads up.
Oh, not good. Hey, Morty, guess what's not there?
The bottom tower.
Jeez, man, they're getting whooped.
The night sees. Let's go. Yeah.
Because I always ask if I always love it.
By starlight. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sup, boss Aries? Thank you so much for the like.
Costly.
For the night. Yeah. Absolutely. Ha-ha. For the cause. The moon smiles upon me. Salamene commands. We ride. Night sees on the ground.
I always feel my because sometimes even with it's like
Good plan. Stop. Quickly now. Ha-ha. Let's go. I'm under attack. Yes.
Oh, your top tower's under attack.
Stop.
yes, the end.
Let's go.
Morty, you're not gonna like this. Top tower's under attack.
You won't.
So yeah, so just to
Patay. Hinahabol niya ako eh. Hinahabol niya ako.
yeah.
Quickly now. Death approaches.
Yes.
Good
Ano
plan.
kasalanan ko?
Ooh, dire. You gotta fortify them their structures. Good work.
Or I can
Ooh, they took out the enemy's middle tower. Ha 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 ha.
For the night. Yes. Stalking. Heads up. The night sees all. On
Kanda
the
time.
Yeah.
Kanda time.
Yes, I'm under attack. Listen to me.
It's a killing spree. Ownage.
Let's go.
And also
More like abandon.
thank you so much.
siya oh. Basag ang mukha.
By starlight. On the
Yeah, actually, it's
attack.
Eh, pake ko. Titirahin ko yan. Umaatras ako.
Tower got destroyed. The enemy's top there. He's got riggedy, riggedy, riggedy.
We ride. For the night.
Sa pambaba.
Heads up. Yes.
Your bottom tower's under attack. Ooh, you took out the enemy's middle tower.
Panalo kami.
No, Meg, I gotta tell you, my bottom tower is looking pretty good. Morty's bottom tower under attack. Oh!
Let's go.
Jesus, bottom tower under attack. Mega kill. Mega kill. Double kill.
Baka na ngayon ka pa nag-buyback kung kailan tapos na.
They won.
Sa ulo.
It's not like your life's gonna get any better.
May hihingang tao. Tangina niyo. Ay putang ina, MVP Lord. How to be you porn. Panis. Wala pa rin. Tang ina, hindi ko pa rin makuha ang dipot ng Isben. Hindi ka pa?
Sige boss.
Malungkot ka. Ang ano, parang kasalanan ko pa.
Diba ba't kayo nagagaya yung mouse ko?
Oh, win streak na naman tayo. Tas pinab-weekend, burat.
Ay,
Welcome to hell. Level 80 na yung compendium ko, pero sa Romel, level 103 na. Gusto ko na makuha to eh. Tangina eh. 50 levels pa. Tangina. Anong level ko ba makakuha to? Saan ba nakakuha ng booster?
wala kaming secret na kasi abot. Abot isang taon. Gawa na kasi tayo ng anak natin.
Ano na? Putang ina na ito. Sana. CR nga muna ako. Ihe. Ano ba kasi ang paborito mong hapunan? Mukha ka ng bobo, gusto mo ba ng lobo? Gusto mo ba kumain ng maraming nasinigang? Kahit saan magpunta, kawalan ang gula. Just like a fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in the morning, baby. Ayoko, I don't want. Putang ina. May pag-asa nga ba? Woo! Ama ka ang puso ko'y mapagbigyan. Mahiwagang salamin, start mo na, pwiri. Ang tagal naman nang mag-start. Putang ina mo. Mas malupit pa rin yung mga talo ko. Mas tumatak sa akin yung mga talo ko kaysa yung mga panalo ko eh. What a life. What they gonna kill. Emoticons. So talaga nito. Wala ka ng mga iba eh.
Ako wala akong ganun. So nga, nabukunan ako grade 1 na. Galit pa na.
Rhinoceros order loading screen. Gusto ko na makuha yung skin ni Isben. Angas din na ito oh. Wow! Ang ganda rin pala yung mga skin ni Isben eh.
Boss Rene,
Oh,
di ba nung bata ka nabakunahan ka?
oh.
Nagmarka yung bakuna sa'yo?
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan yung akin eh. Baka sa puwet.
Sa
Okay ka tatawa.
Ba't naman sa put?
Ewan ko, may ganun eh. May batang
Pwede lang
binabakunahan
bakunahan
sa
sa
puwet, gago.
Eh, ang tanong, bakit nagmamarka yung bakuna? Eh, karayom lang din naman yun.
Siyempre kasi kumbaga, bobo ka kasi. Hindi kasi alam ko ano yun eh. Parang pagbata pa kasi tayo, nag-stay talaga. Kunyari, may sugat ka nung bata ka, magsistay siya.
Wag naman sana.
Wag naman sana.
Pero bakit yung mga batang no hospital ng bata? Siyempre, lalagyan ng suwero ba tawag doon?
Oh.
Oh, hindi naman nagmamarka yun.
Iba, alam ko iba yun eh. Tanungin natin si Google. Why does bakuna mark?
Leaves a mark.
Alam mo tawag sa bakuna? Vaccine yun, di ba?
May ganyan naman na extra si Boss Romel ah. Dayang Isben.
Na ano?
Yung mga set po ng Isben.
Meron ba siya? Alam ko wala siyang mga ismen eh.
Si Boss Git. Ay, wala rin pala si Boss Git.
Ang pangalan na ito.
Boss Git, kung nanonood ka man oh. Baka may basura ka ng
Injection nga eh.
Madaming set si Boss Git ng Pods. Di ba nagagamitin mo eh. Boss Git, baka naman oh. Pods lang oh. Yung magandang set ni Pods. Pods. Ito sana ang sarap ko ngayon. 450 din pala ito.
Kahit anong search ko, ito yung lumalabas eh. Sabi dito, smallpox vaccine eh. So parang, yung tinurok sa'yo na yon, baka yun yung vaccine na smallpox vaccine. Kasi sabi dito, people who received the BCG vaccine in the past often have a permanent scar in the area where they received the injection. So baka depende sa injection. Ibang klaseng injection, ganun.
Mga titi ng mga
Tangina pre, tangina kung titi yun, hindi magmamarka yun. Sa mental mo yun magmamarka, saka sa emosyon mo. Hindi sa sa katawan. Mentally yun, gago ka. Mentally scarred ka. Yun yung tawag dun. Kailangan mo na ng tulong. Hindi yung titi, bastos yun. Pero ayun, yun siguro. Kasi paulit-ulit ko na sinerch eh. Nilagay ko, when you're young and got an injection, why does it mark on your shoulder? Smallpox vaccine causes why? And you might have one. Baka ito nga, smallpox vaccine to. Dati kasi wala naman, hindi naman kasi nila tinatanong eh. Ako, pag nagkaanak ako, tapos ko, pag tinurok-turok, tatanong ko, ano naman yan, boss? O, tapos ano naman yan? Tatanungin ko, isa-isa yun, putang ina, para malaman. Pag nagtanong sa akin, yan yung tinurok sa'yo dyan, ano? Anti-inflammatory ng itlog mo kasi jakol ka ng jakol. Wala, basta parang ganun. Kaya yun, nagmarka na sa mukha mo yung kabobohan mo. Diba? Pero wala eh. Dati kasi paturok lang ng paturok. Wala naman alam eh. Ngayon, yung mga tinurokan, nanunurok na rin. Putang ina. Ang tagal ng queue ah. Puta, lagi na lang pinapaabot ng 10 minutes tapos match pa. Bis ko mag-DK ah. Magdi-DK carry ako. Saya rin mag-DK carry eh. Puntang na si Raulo. Ito yung skin ni Chosis eh. Maganda rin tayo yung Third Awakening. Kailan kaya ito nilabas? International cachet. Ganda rin. Tara, maganda rin to yung parang puno. Scourge Amber. Kailan ito nilabas? Collector's Cachet 2019. Ito yung silver to. Maganda talaga to. You know? Wow. Sparkles. Pero okay na rin naman yung skin ko. Pogi naman yung skin ko eh. Yung bago ngayon. The Griffin Man. Yung weapon niya, no? Diba? May effects yan. Okay din pala no, kahit pag ito. Tapos naka-fire, wow. 4 pesos. Ang kulit ng immortal na dragon eh. Heist. Tagal naman mag-start. Good morning, DK main. Oo, pre, DK main. Sayang mag-DK eh. Lapit na rin si Esben.
Fortnite Artisans.
Esben 8, 9, 10. Wala bang mabibigay sa akin dyan? Tagal.